All monkey temple. This is rather neat, so I wanted to get video. Plunging down, just like necklines of many of the tourists visiting this holy spot. More plunging, a little bit of look of jungle from an aerial thingy. Point of view, canopy, tree thing, sun. Yes, I'm a naturalist, obviously. Excuse me, monkey. These are not real monkeys, and this is not a real leaf that the monkey's holding, just so people know. These are the monkeys. This is what eats the monkeys. Big teeth, capable of taking in a monkey. These monkeys, not at all concerned. Mini monkey. Bigger monkey. Mini, bigger. Nice jungle shots though. And that's the monkey temple. Unless I come across something really different, I'd sit for this one.